And so my final question is, we had talked several years ago that the things that I've learned from you, and then this meditation practice with the air conditioner method, was what helped me release my addiction to alcohol. And we were talking about the fact that I wanted to teach seminars, and you interjected that you thought I should, that there are a lot of people who have tried a lot of different approaches who could use a new approach. And so I'm ready to do that now, and I have this, it's my passion project, my inspiration. I'm developing a movie-based education program.
Just pay attention as you're moving along. First of all, we never tell anybody they should do anything. But if somebody feels like they want to do something and it feels like that, then you can't not do it and feel good. It's not a matter of should, it's a matter of having gotten the momentum going, and now you're being called to the fulfillment of yourself, and nothing else will do. Maybe that's a should. Maybe that means should, but what we mean is nothing else will do. Once you get something in motion and you line up with it and it calls you, so just pay attention as you are moving along, because there are things that others will encourage you to do that are from the wrong receiving mode.
I don't think this one is. This has been percolating for quite a while.
We're not talking about the idea.
Yeah.
We're talking about pieces within it. One of the things that always happens, we're really out here on the leading edge with you, so enjoy this, because once something has been decided by you, and so you're underway with it, you find yourself thinking about it a lot. In fact, thinking about it mostly, more than anything else, often more than all other things put together. But you're not always in the receiving mode. So sometimes you'll be thinking about it because that's what you do now, but not from the receiving mode. And so then wonky ideas can be introduced into the equation. You see what we're getting at? So just take it easy and let it be inspired. That's all we're saying. Let it be inspired.
Well, I'm inspired to ask if you potentially would be in the movie. I would like to interview you for that.
There are a lot of variables to that answer. Has to do with Esther. This is an idea that is not very well established in your vibrational frequency. There's still enough resistance within it that was not a slam dunk.
Yeah, okay.
You see what we're getting at?
No.
Would you be in the movie? Maybe. You see what we're getting at?
Yeah.
There are all kinds of people that can be in your movie. Yeah.
Including you, so I'll work on that one. Thank you so much.
Yeah.